What's the correct? What's the correct price? The Aprilia is there for Mazda 457 and the Vespa and the famous the newly launched the Vespa 160 I think is right 160 I think so. There's a newly launched 135 step there. Same like what you see, the same color. See, RS 4 same color for this way you can see the same color there. And Aprilia brand stamp. Avnish Motor has made a video here the same model the Lagbang main road is same showrooms come here. You can see. What are the features are there? What are the features in your vehicle coming? What are the features are there? Features. Okay.
Types of features like manual, NFC, remote as well as we do have an app.
Okay. What's the current price for your EV two-wheeler? EV, what's the price for it? What's the price?
Like this will be 50 plus GST.
Okay.
And this is 55 plus GST.
Okay. Where is the factory and the showroom?
Showroom we have in Bangalore, we have 4 showrooms in Shivamogga, as well as in Hyderabad, Maharashtra.
Okay. In Bangalore, where the showroom located in Bangalore?
This is in Indranagar, Rajajinagar, Nagasandram.
Okay. Rajan, to Dr. Rajkumar Road, no?
Yes.
There all you're telling.
Yes.
Okay. It is a newly launched brand, no? Never seen this brand.
Yeah, it's a new brand.
New
We
brand.
have been in Bangalore by almost like 6 to 7.
Okay, it's a proper Bangalore brand you can say. Almost. This is a first exhibition you're showcasing a brand.
This is the first vehicle.
This is the first exhibition you're showcasing a brand. This is the first exhibition you're showcasing a brand.
Yes.
And which is the top one, is the base and mid variant here?
Sorry, sir?
Is there anything base, top one and mid variant is there?
No, there are only 3.
Okay, no, I'm talking the top, mid and base. Is there anything like that?
Only one.
Okay, totally currently you have only the 3 models you have, not currently. 3 models. This 1 and 2, yeah.
1, 2 and
And 3 models, sir. Okay. What's the price currently you on?
50
50
and 55.
55. Very value for money in your car.
Yes.
Possibly price of car. Other could starts from 1 lakh rupees or 1.5 in the market. Other brands have seen, but you also very pocket friendly.
Yes.
Mainly you're getting the delivery people who can't afford
it. We are not only targeting the delivery people, we actually target B2C as well as B2B.
Okay. The value for all the Zomato, Blinkit, all the partners that we have for all the...
They can also use that.
They can use that. Is there any lease option is there?
No, we are working with the leasing partners. We actually don't lease the vehicles directly.
Okay. Because a lot of customers, they're talking with all the Zomato people and Flipkart, they able to lease for the delivery people who don't have bike. Or have any options that for them in the future?
In the future, we have.
Okay, future. Okay. Currently, this is for the this is the launch.
This is
launch. Okay. Very valuable money. Top one. You have the value for money.
Yes.
Anyone who's able to own a vehicle, for them it's a value for money.
Yes.
Basically, you're targeting the middle class people. So you're targeting this price.
Yes.
That's why. There is all of the brands are there in the market, but you wasn't afford all the brands.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Today, you will see 3 amazing cars from Nexa. The starter behind all new fronts of Land Rover and Jimny, which is heavier on display. The doors are open to you. You are allowed to sit inside the car, get hands-on experience. And in case if you have any questions or any clarifications in regards to fronts, Land Rover or Jimny, please feel free to talk to our customer relationship managers who are right here. At the same time, if you happen to book your dream car right here in Bangalore, you will be eligible for a super duper
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ
ಸರ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಗಾಡಿ ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ
and our showroom is located at Palapura and the name of the showroom is Suraksha Car Care Private
See the price, after GST, cut by the Brilliant.
ಗಾಟ್ ಹೈಟ್ಸ್
Is the price, Brilliant?
860
board truck edition, 860. What features are there? What all features are there?
Sir?
What all features are there? And prices are there available?
VLF scooter is there, Bixen bikes is
Okay,
there.
okay. This is a recent launch one, no?
Sir?
This is a recent launch one, no?
It's already there, 1 year old product.
No, this year it got launched, no? As one bike. $1,200 ಇದೆ. Discount 500 ಇದೆ. This might be the recent launch ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಇದು might be the recent 500 ಇದೆ. recent ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು. launch Under 350, all the accessories are kept here. 350, Rilla 450. What are the current prices are there? What's the price currently now? What's the current price now? What's the current price for all the bikes? Okay, for display.
ಇದು 340
Okay.
ಅದು
Okay. And the recently launched one?
ಸರ್ 238
Okay. 230. And the classic 650.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್
Classic 650 is launched.
ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಕ್ 650
650. You recently launched now. What's that one?
For the display, it's
Okay. What's the price currently?
ಸರ್ 5.23
Okay. Prices are now decrease is the same price, no? In Royal Enfield?
the same.
Same price only. After GST, that is applied in our vehicle. Okay. An Indian biker.
For weekend, Sunday ride, long rides, it's built for that. But we have a very big community in India. So yearly at least two long rides, weekend trips are planned, and all the customers are invited, and it's fully planned by the company. So there's a very strong community, but rare to see on the road.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
What are the features are there in this bike?
This is 1250cc engine,
Okay.
98 horsepower, 94 horsepower,
Okay.
108 Newton meter of torque,
Okay.
slightly lower handlebars.
Okay.
This is also available with the digital cluster,
Okay.
16-inch rims,
Okay.
V-twin engine,
Okay.
liquid cooled,
Okay.
and it's accessorized also now.
Okay. Okay.
This Scout Bomber.
Okay, Scout Bomber. Is it a recently launched, huh?
Sorry?
Is it recently launched bike you're telling, huh?
Sorry.
Recently launched, no? Launched the bike, no? This one, no?
Yeah, this is recently launched.
Okay.
They launched this in August.
Okay. And what this one is getting?
This is Sports Scout 60.
Okay.
Smaller engine,
Okay.
999cc.
Okay.
This is around
Okay.
85 Newton meter of
Okay.
torque.
Okay.
Slightly lesser horsepower also,
Okay.
around 87
Okay.
horsepower.
Okay.
This comes standard with fender,
Okay.
sports fender,
Okay.
19 inch rims,
Okay. Okay.
blacked out
Okay.
fender, sorry,
Okay.
fairing is
Okay.
comes with standard, fenders are blacked out.
Okay.
These are accessories.
Okay. The paint is very,
Storm grey.
very nice paint.
Yeah, it's a nice
Nice
color.
paint.
And
Okay.
these come with raised up handles.
Okay. Okay.
These offer much more sportier and comfortable.
Okay. But you want don't come often, no? It's a very low sales brand, no?
Yeah, it's a very rare, it offers to a very elite niche clientele.
Okay.
So it's very rare to see on the road, but the community is very strong, community is very big across
Okay.
India. We have many thousands of customers and we always plan rides and
Okay.
it's a close-knit community.
Okay. This looks same like an Harley Davidson only, no?
This is much better than Harley Davidson.
Okay.
100 times better than Harley Davidson.
Okay. What's the price currently?
This brand was started
Okay.
almost more than 20 years before Harley Davidson.
Okay, what's the price for this?
17.5 lakhs, 18.5
Eight and a half lakhs. Okay. No. Access has launched, no?
Sir?
The EV version has launched, no? EV version.
December 15th.
December 15th. Okay. What's the current prices? Current what? What's the prices currently? What's the prices currently not changed?
130 no,
It's the 130 now.
130 no,
130.
123,
123. 123. The tender Suzuki Gixxer.
Mercury.
Gixxer. 185. There's a 250cc, no? There's a 250cc segment. Okay. Kumar. 720 40 77 391. December, when is the launch of the new Access EV? No, when is the launch? It's not available. Okay. Where is the showroom comes?
Here is Bellary Road.
Okay, get all here. Okay, thank you. What are the next launches, upcoming launches? What's the launch of the next upcoming launches? Next year. Okay. The Hayabusa is there. That's the new one. I think the Katana, I think so. Or yes, 8 or I think so. So that. What are the prices currently? What are the figures and prices I'm seeing at vehicles that on display? What I'm saying here? What are the models I'm saying? Models get for display.
Okay.
The price of what I'm saying here? I wonder.
I'm not able to understand what
Okay,
you're
I'm
saying.
talking about the model. What model?
Which model is this you're asking?
All this you get for display. I'm talking about the models.
It is Hayabusa GSX 8R and
8R.
which from 820.
Okay. It is order price currently?
This is 22 lakhs.
Okay.
This is 12 lakhs.
12
That
lakhs.
is 14 lakhs.
14 lakhs. Okay. This is newly launched one, no? What is on internet, no? A special edition has come now. This is Hyper that's the one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And we got Lexan 400 is in the exhibition. We got Speed 400 is Speed 400. That one is Mananda CC. What are the prices currently?
Sorry?
What are the prices here? Prices?
Price is 3,70,000.
Okay, so for 400, no?
That one is 3,20,000.
20,000, okay.
3,95,000.
25,000.
That is 12 lakhs.
Okay. This one, the 900?
20 lakhs 80,000.
Okay. What are the features are there in the Tucson 400?
Sorry?
What are the key features I'm seeing in the Tucson 400?
But this has been derived from the old
Okay,
Roland
okay,
model.
okay. What are the features are there?
Features you get traction control switchable.
Okay,
We have ABS.
okay,
Plus we have engine immobilizer.
okay. Okay. Same like the Speed 400 features are there.
Speed 400 but tuning is different. This
Okay,
comes
okay.
with 42 bhp.
Okay, okay,
And revs up to 10,000 RPM.
okay, okay,
Other bikes revs up to 8,000 RPM.
Okay.
Still revs.
okay. The main like out 2020 the construction was there similar polish but only the engine
Yes.
engine
Seat height is lower.
Seat
This
height
has
is lower.
790 seat height.
seat.
That will
Okay,
come with
okay.
806.
Okay. I've heard that the result can be removed and put a
Yes, yes, yes.
they can put a pillion seat also in this vehicle.
This already has a pillion
The
seat.
pillion seat, okay.
So just remove this cowl, it becomes one
Okay.
piece like that.
Okay, that's a nice feature. Huh?
Yeah.
Because Suzuki Hayabusa they give a crowl, but
yeah.
crowl, but you can't put a seat on
Yeah. That is optional. Again, you have to put a seat or either you put a cowl.
crowl.
And if you then remove this cowl.
And that's expensive also Suzuki Hayabusa.
Yes.
But yours is a very unique and overall feature.
Correct, correct. Sir.
Feature I've seen. And how is the response for the customer owner?
Very
Are they
good,
liking
sir.
the vehicle?
Yes, 100%.
After buying the 1200cc truck stand, the value for me speed truck stand,
Yeah.
the cafe rider, the computer 400 now.
Yes.
Uh,
So that's what they wanted the same design to be on a
Okay.
classic motorcycle.
Okay.
So they made
People who cannot afford traction, they wanted
Exactly.
they wanted a similar version.
Exactly.
People compare it to the Royal Enfield, the cafe racer.
True.
Is it a right compare for this?
100% because power figures, everything is
No,
same.
because
That
the-
comes into the same category. No, that is also.
No, but the CC is different. No? Royal Enfield the cafe is around it's a 600cc engine.
So yeah,
Engine capacity,
650 cc.
engine capacity, but top end you can't compare with this vehicle. No? Top end initial torque also you can't compare. No?
Top end it goes 170, 160.
This will go this will go 140.
With
No?
single cylinder you can achieve the same
Okay,
power what Royal Enfield is
okay,
giving.
okay. This will go 140. No? Top speed, no?
42 bhp. You compare it with the Royal Enfield, it is almost the same.
Okay.
Only thing is this bike is little gruntier
Okay.
because of the single
Okay,
cylinder.
also like a little heavier sir. You
Yeah.
also make lighter sir you're telling. Yeah?
Yes.
In price and the border difference, no? Price range, no?
Price it is 3,70,000.
Okay.
That is more than 4 lakhs.
For 5 lakhs
Yes.
we can get our the food. In there, what are the accessories are there? What are accessories?
Currently we don't have any accessories for Truxton. There are few
Okay,
accessories.
okay. The pillar what is it?
Yeah, that is standard.
Standard.
Radiator guard is standard. You get lower engine guard for
Okay,
this.
okay,
You get a tank pad.
okay,
You don't scratch your
okay,
tank.
okay,
Then this is also an accessory only, but that
Okay.
comes as default.
okay, okay.
Six levels.
Okay, the sound is very nice sound is there.
Yeah.
It is sporty sound you can expect.
Because of the thumb.
Okay. Exhaust is there, no? So after the exhaust is available from the showroom
Yeah.
side, no?
The aftermarket exhaust not available.
No. Trump is parted with the
No.
axle exhaust.
No,
If Trump Tiger would get an
Only Tiger
exhaust.
gets Acra.
Acra. What is
Other than
it?
Tiger, the bike doesn't
The
get
Acra
any.
is it police legal to put that?
Yes.
Police legal only. That's what
If it is available in website, it is legal.
and available
Because we change
okay.
only the end cam,
And can
not
okay.
the resonator
Okay.
or anything.
Okay.
So it is illegal. 20 meters.
Complete and new.
20. Only on the Tiger it is 20.
Complete and new JSL will be much cheaper, no?
Yes.
I have heard that in your segment, when is nothing has been changed till now. It's much cheaper what I heard. In the Trump Speed 400 other 400. Other segment is much costlier.
Yes.
That
With
is
the reliability also you get 16,000 kilometer service interval
okay.
plus 1 year
Okay.
This one,
Okay.
service interval.
Okay.
Say either 16,000 or 1 year.
Okay.
You get 5 years standard warranty.
Okay.
You
Okay.
pay just 2,500 rupees for
Okay.
additional 5 years.
Okay. But in camper, they totally so many phones is people confused. One camera.
It depends on your purpose. See, this is
We get camera phone is there,
Yeah.
and then the speed phone is
for
there.
city purpose.
For
That
and
you
that.
take it on touring, off-road,
Okay.
city,
Okay. Okay.
multi-purpose mode.
Okay, because in the same segment, totally you have got 3 or 4 bikes. I've got in the same segment. No? Same segment, you've got 3 to 4 bikes. No?
Yeah, 5
The same.
bikes.
5
All
bikes.
are there on the poster.
No, I'm talking the 400
That
cc.
is basic.
T for the
One, in the first. That is for city.
Okay, city.
This is also city with
City.
throttle push.
So that is-
Whoever wants to push it
Okay,
more.
okay.
This comes with 40 PS, that comes with 31.
31 PS, and this is the top end. No?
Scrambler comes with alloy wheel. This is for
Okay,
touring.
touring.
This is a pure off-road.
Okay, and it is
Spokeless.
okay. Okay, this was easily launched. No? This one is because in the
Tubeless, it comes
okay.
with tubeless cross.
Okay, okay, because recently in a Tumpur, this bike was launched at Captain also. It's XC variant.
Okay.
Now that is Captain, that's XC variant. No?
Which one, sir?
XC is there, no? That's a display XC, no? XC variant.
Yes,
This
that is
the
the XC display.
It's only launched variant.
Yeah.
Okay, this is Scambler.
Yeah.
This is Scambler 400.
This is speed 400.
It's a speed 400.
Yeah.
And another one is a
T4.
T4. T4 is very confusing to customers. But starting is 2.6
It
license
depends.
starting.
Yeah.
Starting is 2.6 license starting is a 400
That
cc.
is for speed.
Speed.
1,93,000 is the starting price
Okay.
of speed.
Okay.
T4.
Okay. The old Daytona and this one, is there any comparison? It's a,
There is
it's
no
a-
comparison.
it's a- it's
They
a-
only the name is same.
Okay. Okay.
This is a sports tourer.
Okay. Okay. The body limit same only, no? So what we get?
Everything is different, sir.
Okay. You can't compare.
Engine is different.
Okay, I
no,
know.
there is no
The
comparison.
body is same, no? Body looks same, different is that body?
Design, it is different only. It is almost
Okay.
a brand new
Okay,
design.
okay. The ties are
Little of, this
okay.
one is derived from the old
Okay.
Daytona.
Ties are soft compound or what else are
Yes,
getting?
yes, of course. it is.
It's a Pirelli tag,
No,
no?
no, Michelin.
Michelin tag. Okay, very costly tag.
Power save, yeah.
All of the gas offer MF ties are getting, no? All other
This
like
bike
no?
gets Waterstein,
Waterstein.
T4 gets MRF.
MRF.
This also gets
Because
MRF.
all of the different patterns have got the.
Yeah.
This and
See
this look almost same, you know, in type pattern. No? This
Yeah,
this and
Waterstein
that,
and that,
all of them. And that gets offered in tie. Last one.
Yeah, that gets Metzeler.
The Michelin test. Okay. Very costly test. What are the future launches for next year?
There are plenty, more than 10 bikes which is lined up for launching.
Okay, then what like that? We're getting more CC or we're getting super bike? We're
No,
getting
no, no, in
camper?
big bikes only, all in big bikes.
Big bikes only,
Monorail,
super
street
bikes
twins,
only.
Yeah,
It's about launch next year.
yeah.
It's confirmed that.
Yes.
Okay. All this
It is
are
already there on the website.
okay.
They
Yeah.
have not revealed the bike,
Okay.
but
Okay.
more
Okay.
than 5-6
Okay.
bikes are there
Okay.
in the lineup.
This is kitty
Kira Electronic City, yeah, 3 showrooms are there.
Okay, okay.
One in Electronic City,
Okay.
one Bakery Circle and one
Okay,
bike.
okay. This is Lahmega variant that when we got an auto for that vehicle. The section 4 and that. I wanted to go to the showroom. Here they got the vehicle. This
Nice,
is
nice.
very nice.
You can have a test ride once you go to the showroom.
Okay.
You have it on test ride.
Okay,
Ride it
okay.
and feel the bike.
Okay. But the Peugeot is very learning.
Aggressive because that is a cafe racer. We all bike different.
Okay, because this all upright position, this breeze bikes are there. This is also they do down the same at that.
Yes, yes.
But back when you come back when you
100%. Wrist pain.
because for long distance we can't take
Yeah.
for long distance we can't take this bike. So this and that bike also.
Yes, you can take this.
And
But
this is good,
for
huh?
maybe 100-kilometer breakfast
Okay,
ride.
I know.
You can go and come back.
Or we can go to Mysore and come back as well.
Yeah.
We can go on these two bikes. But that's for pure
Touring,
off-roading.
you cannot do
To touring.
touring.
No, the last one is for touring purpose.
Yeah, last is for touring.
Touring guy.
That's an adventure.
Okay. In that also 2020 is there, no?
Yes.
2020 is there available.
Yes. So, all the bikes, what you see here,
Okay.
other than the
And this one,
Daytona,
Daytona.
every bike is there available in 1200.
No.
Scrambler 1200 X is
Okay.
there. Speed Twin 1200 is there.
Okay.
Truxton 1200 is
Okay.
there.
Okay.
Truxton 1200 not there in India.
Okay.
It is there in abroad. UK and US
Okay.
it is
Okay.
available.
Currently it's coming to India next
no,
year.
no. Truxton there is no
Okay.
update on the product.
Okay. Next year this will launch it telling. 2020 this will launch it telling.
It is already there.
La-
It is already
okay.
there in India.
The display is still to come still, no? The display that comes still, no?
Display is also we have sold the bikes.
The display is there in the showroom, no?
Showroom, these bikes are got on order basis. The
Okay.
1200.
Okay. Okay. Okay, bhai.
That Tiger 1200 you can see on
Okay,
display.
I know.
Speed Twin
Okay.
1200 you can see on
What
display.
is P2 calendar? What will be display in that bike telling? 1200 speed you told, no? What will be the changes like the features of it?
That bigger engine,
Okay.
parallel,
Okay.
parallel twin engine.
Okay. Okay.
It comes with
Okay.
traction. That's what 6-axis
Okay.
IMU, cruise
Okay.
control.
Okay.
Optional
Okay.
it is.
Okay. What is the price for that bike currently in the showroom?
18.5 lakhs for the Speed Twin 1200.
Okay.
16 lakhs for
Okay.
Scrambler 1200.
Okay.
Tiger 1200 will cost you 28 lakhs.
Okay. I mean, this one you can't compare the BMW bike, you can't compare.
Which one?
The 2010 you can't compare this bike. BMW the 2010.
This is derived from the 1200. If you see the design of the 1200 and these bikes, it will be the same.
Okay, no, I'm talking.
almost the same.
Okay, I'm talking the BMW launched
Really?
the BMW GS 2010. That we can compare.
1300.
That we can compare.
1300 compared with the Tiger 1200.
Okay, 1200. Okay.
Because that also has shaft, this also has shaft.
Okay. But that has a boxer engine, no?
Yeah, that has a
but this gets
parallel twin. We have
Okay.
special with
Okay.
the 3 cylinders.
Okay. People buy it for the Michelin on some basically.
Yeah, exactly.
Michelin is the one
Yeah.
we got.
Triples.
Okay. That's a patent vehicle. For the because for all Trump vehicles are all on
They made it reasonable.
2-cylinder only. I've seen it.
Yeah.
Trump bikes. There's no 4-cylinder bikes in Trump, no?
No, Triumph doesn't make any 4 cylinder.
Okay, all the cases
You, we have a Rocket 3
Okay.
with a 2500
I know.
cc, largest production
Okay, it's a
motorcycle.
powerful engine you can say.
Yes. That also comes with 3 cylinder.
Okay, very that's the thing.
Yeah.
The Trump is a patent you can say.
Yes.
Trump patent
Yes.
computer everything patent in Trump.
Yes.
3-cylinder.
3 cylinder is patented.
Okay.
The same
Okay.
same thing is with Ducati.
Okay.
They have Desmo Atomic valve,
I know.
which is patented only for Ducati.
Okay, I know. Okay, that's a very nice thing. Many Trump they buy for the everything is much cheaper compared to
Yes.
BMW and Ducati.
Correct.
That's the thing. That's the thing. And
It is for 10,000
okay.
kilometers or once
Okay.
in a year.
Ah.
All the big bikes.
Okay.
This bike is for 16,000
Okay,
kilometers or once
okay.
in a year.
Then yours is very must Kawasaki must after all look at the pocket friendly. Servicing and spare parts.
But see, Kawasaki, we have one Street Triple.
Okay,
Kawasaki competition is Z900.
okay, I know.
Street Triple is expensive than Kawasaki,
Ah.
but
Okay.
what you get on Street Triple is
Okay,
different.
okay, nice. Very nice features. Here are there. 150 and also exhaust. See the how it runs. That's the caliber 115. Modified.
It's not a CRF, it's a Honda Unicorn.
So what have you done?
I just looked at it.
How do you modify it?
It's a Honda Unicorn that's venture.
You have to modify. This is legally modified, no? Very nice picture. And where to see a kinetic also. Very nice to see the kinetic also. Over 135. Very nice to see that. This is a Kawasaki, no? Kawasaki Californ, no? This is a Kawasaki Californ, no?
Yeah.
115. All these slot is it. The original correction we don't find. Very rare to find that side. This is
This and my
an
Kawasaki.
imported. This is an imported, I think, so,
No, it's kinetic Honda.
No, yeah. I never seen this bike.
kinetic, kinetic
Never seen this bike in India. That's why.
This also is an element.
Okay.
This is a Vectrino. Many
Okay.
people don't know about.
Okay, I know.
Enduro, nobody knows about.
I know.
And the element
Okay.
Pulse also. is very rare.
Okay. This is one in a piece collection bike.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That is why I have got all these mementos
Awards,
also because
okay.
of my
Okay.
participation in so many
Okay.
events.
Okay. This is for display.
Yes.
All these bikes.
Yes.
This is the current modified bike I have currently.
Sir?
This is the modified bike, sir.
Yeah,
For the song.
modified bike.
That looks like a
This
gold
is
winner.
modified, that is
That looks
modified.
like a gold
This is
winner.
stock.
Okay. This
That
looks
is also a
okay.
semi-stock.
This looks like a gold winner.
Oh,
Okay.
I'll put that body on a kinetic forest and bring it back
Okay.
as a forest
Okay.
model.
You also have the blades, no?
Sir?
Kinetic blades for the no? Top.
Yeah.
That also you have purchased.
Yes.
These are all very nowadays Gen Z people don't know these bikes about. Gen Z.
Sir, this is the number 1 lakh.
Okay, clear
See,
for
it
that.
says that on the body only.
Okay,
It's a 1 lakh bike.
Okay.
But you don't see the 1 lakh, sir.
Okay.
This
Now,
is just one now. But
Okay.
there's another 99,999 bikes.
Okay.
You don't see them now.
in current but no, there's only one in the piece they are in no. But not yours is only one in the piece.
Yes.
Existence still now with the original condition.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah.
Single owner vehicle.
This people are having every year, it's a common vehicle, but this now they have no.
This is fully modified.
Okay, I know.
This is a one-off.
Okay, one of a kind.
Huh?
It's only one in the piece in Bandar City.
I don't know how many pieces are left.
Okay.
This is the only one I know of.
Currently, I was seeing the shocking.
Sir?
I was seeing only one. What are features are there? What are the features I'm seeing here? Features? ಆಯಿತು Avenger modified Avengers, yes. Many are modified Avenger. 2.0 Tata top rack, that top rack is there. Racing dynamics, looks like. Over where one? Fully modified.